Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save a contact number directly to your Google account on your Google Pixel phone. This is super useful because when your contacts are saved to your Google account, they automatically sync across all your devices and you'll never lose them even if you switch phones. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap on the phone app on your Pixel. This is your default calling app where you manage all your contacts and make calls. Once you're in the phone app, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Keypad. This will bring up the number pad where you can manually enter phone numbers. Now go ahead and input the number you want to save. Type it in carefully using the keypad, making sure you include the area code and any other necessary digits. Once you've entered the complete number, look at the top of your screen. You'll notice an option that says Create New Contact. This is a handy shortcut that appears whenever you've typed a number that isn't already saved in your contacts. Tap on Create New Contact to proceed. This will open up a new contact form where you can add all the details for this person. In the contact form, you'll see fields for entering information. Input a first name and last name for the contact. These fields help you identify who this number belongs to and make it easier to search for them later in your contacts list. Now here's the important part to ensure your contact is saved to your Google account and not just locally on your device. Look at the bottom of the screen and you'll see a drop-down menu. Tap on this drop-down to reveal the storage options available. From the list, make sure Device and Google is selected. This setting is crucial because it ensures your contact will be backed up to your Google account and synchronized across all your devices that use the same Google account. After you've confirmed the correct storage location is selected, tap Save at the bottom of the screen. The contact will now be created and stored both on your device and in your Google account. This means you can access this contact from any device where you're logged into your Google account, whether it's another phone, tablet, or even your computer. Now you can see the contact in your contacts list and rest assured it's safely saved on your Google account. You've successfully saved a number to your Google account, ensuring it's backed up and accessible from anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.